So today we're gonna be playing Capuchin. So there's recently a new update. So yeah, let's check the message of the day. Happy New Year, everyone. I hope you all have a good 2023. Servers are back up, and so is PlayFab. I've planned a little update for you all due to some recent... I don't know what that is. Everyone is getting a free 5,000 bananas on first login. Spend them wisely, and then smiley face. Okay, so I did a little window behind the mirror, network finger movements, fireworks, no muting lol, New Year cosmetics, movements changes for faster movement, fish game adds in some areas, new sizable text on message of the day board, night and lit campfire, fixed zero gravity glitch, changed mirror to be more like a mirror, changed shader in level 2, fixed random controller freezing, fixed Quest Pro support issue, no longer Christmas, PlayFab fixed, Happy New Year everyone, have an amazing year. Oh, I will not read the credits because the credits are for no reason. Oh, those are the thingies. Okay, so let's check out shop. Oh, wow! Really? Bruh. They should have put like the... They should have like fixed the bananas. They should have fixed the bananas, but they didn't. So I can't get this. So I never knew that there was even a mirror. Wait. What if I just do this, huh? What would... Well, I don't know what that made. I think about that. So that's the... What? That's it for shop. Wait, did they do anything over here? Did they change the monkey? Nope. So that's it for shops. Oh my god. That was not in the video. That was not supposed to be in the video. Oh my god. There we go. Okay. Wait, which? Okay, there we go. Okay, so. Oh, they even added sound. So they fixed zero gravity map. Wait, let me see what they mean by the faster movement. I don't know what they mean by that. Settings. Option 3. Okay, so I don't know what they're saying about. So I'm not gonna go in there. I'm definitely not. Well, that's it, really. I'm not disappointed, but I'm pretty disappointed too. Because they added very little. They added very little to the stuff. Well, yeah. That's the end. That's it for this video. And if you don't subscribe, better sleep with one eye open, or else. Okay, but